My video guide will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called NBA Madness. NBA Madness. Now, this is an unwanted extension that currently attacks Google Chrome and possibly some other browsers too. This NBA Madness is advertised as a helpful tool, helpful extension that helps you be in control of what is going on with NBA championships. However, the point is that NBA Madness extension is also the browser hijacker that changes your default search engine. It also replaces your new tab URL, so instead of a blank tab you see some NBA Madness and the page called info-search.page. Plus, when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo Search. If you are not happy with all such amendments into your browser settings, you need to get rid of NBA Madness extension. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So you need to find this NBA Madness extension. You may disable and remove it completely. Also, I recommend that you perform additional investigation of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is successfully downloaded and installed, let it update its antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan, which will begin the free research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode, however the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threats, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threats manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the thread manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.